Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be looking at write a Java program to sort a CSV file based on any column. Okay, so till the last video, we saw a simple Java 7 related program, and from this video onwards, we'll be looking at Java 8 programs. Okay, so these programs will be little bit advanced, as whoever has I think more than 5 years of experience into automation testing or Java. So for those guys, this program will be asked in the interviews. Okay, so to solve this program, let's create a Java class. Let me name it sort CSV. Okay, let's create one main method, and let's create one function, public static void sort CSV data. Okay, so basically this will accept a CSV file path and the column number on which column using on which column we need to sort the data basically. Okay, so let's call this function in. So the first parameter is file path. Okay, so I have already taken one CSV file. So this sample CSV file, it has 3 columns basically, 1, 2, 3, and it has some data related to person name, that city, and the country. Okay, like that. Let me copy path of this file. File for okay, content root. Let's go here and paste the path. Okay, property. And the column number, suppose we are sorting using first column only, right? Okay, we need to change this to integer. Okay, so as this is a CSV file. Okay, so let's just read the data and store it in a string. Okay, so for that we'll be using file utils from Apache common package, and read it as a read a files to string. Just file path the just pass file. So just create one file, new file, just pass this path over here, and I think it needs standard UTF-8. Okay, standard character set, and that's it. And I think it will throw file not found exception. So just not this one IO exception, but let's just add try catch blocks. Okay, so we got the data in a string format. Okay, so let's just add one print statement and input, and I think let's add just a new line and the data. Okay, so this is our input data. Okay, so how to use streams now? Okay, so for streams basically are used on the collection, so list, array, okay, all those things. So wherever there is a collection in the form of list, array, set, on those we can use stream. Okay, so let's first split the data based on line, because we have a file, right? So let's just split the data on new line basis. Okay, so and use now stream. Okay, so it will be stream, array store stream. Now we have to not sort the data, right? So streams provide sorted function. Okay, so in the sorted function we need a comparator, so on which data we need to sort this, right? So we need to add a custom comparator. If you don't define this comparator, it will um, pick up it the in the way line by line. So suppose what it will do, if you don't add this custom comparator, it will sort on this line, so ram z like that. So it will a j r x like that way, okay, if you don't use the comparator. So but our requirement is to compare based on the column. Suppose if now we are I'm passing 0 here, it will sort in the basis of the first column. If I pass 1 here, it will sort basis of city column like that, okay. So I'll add one comparator, custom comparator, okay. So for that, read the line. So we are reading the line, then we need to split it based on the because it is a comma separated file, and then just pass column number, okay. So based on, so we are splitting, and from that we are taking the column number, okay, and we are asking this sort functions to sort in it based on the given column number, okay. Then we need to, once it gets sorted, we need to collect it, okay. So so for that we need to use this collect, and here also how we want to collect it. We can collect it as a list, as a set, but we want to again write it into the file, right? So for that we just will go ahead and use collectors dot joining, okay. So for while joining, how you want to join it, so I'll again add a delimiter as a new line, because we are we will be uh, storing it in a file, okay. So once we get this, let's just store it in a string and print that string, okay. So output, just print it, okay. So let's just see if this works or not. Okay, so this Java streams and the Lambda expression, all those things are introduced in a Java 8. Okay, you need to learn these things because these are very helpful. Okay, so see, this is our input data that we had, right? And this is our output, right? So if you see, we have given the first column 0, right, passed in the function. So it is sorting based on the first column. So it first will be Arjun, Ram, John, and Z, okay, like that. So suppose if you want to split on the basis of uh, second column, right? So how to do that? Okay, so just here while calling this function, just pass 1 here, okay. It will sort it on second column, right? M, P, L, and S, right? So this is sorted based on the basis of the second column, right? So this is how you can explain the interviewer and write a program in like 1 or 2 lines uh, to show him like how we can sort the CSV file based on any column number, right? So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions related to streams, lambda expression, please comment on the video. I'll try to explain or resolve your issues or questions. Till the time, bye. Please like and subscribe this video.